gifts already wore by Love. Gorgeous smaller guys. Since, honestly speaking, nag-gatas lang tayo. And nag-chocolate kanina. So, hindi pa talaga ako nagutom. Kasi ngayon, kailangan natin kumain. Kasi, namatay na tayo. Kain ng kanin. Okay. And so, I have for this wall. So, bibili tayo ng mga cotton balls para lahat sa 2025 ay magaan lang. All the problems and whatever difficulties and struggles, obstacles and tribulations of life, just had a cotton. Then later on, hindi ako nag-sugar, but it's there's pauwi na tayo. Okay, mag-unbox na lang tayo since bibili na natin ng unbox na tayo sa batay na sa KFC. So, naglakad din tayo papunta doon and pabalik. Pagod. Sisulan ng driver sa labas. 8 o'clock in the evening. So, bumili na rin tayo ng ating dinner. This unbox. Okay, Angus chicken spicy. So, bumili lang ako ng grocery natin kung case na meron this week. Kasi, naubos na yung groceries natin. Just konti lang yung binili. So, I had acid canton. Marami lang water, guys. Ibis water italida. Kasi since, wax. Pero hindi naman ito ginawa na. Kasi kasama talaga. Pwede naman kumain once or twice a month. Basta marami lang tayong water. Yan. And Argentina corn beef. May tab. Pab ko talaga yung Argentina corn beef with egg and patatas. Ang homemade breakfast natin yan. Okay. Yung paborito kong breakfast morning. Yung sa province ako. Then we had century tuna, spicy. Carderita. Apritada. Carderita. So, apritada. Carderita yung hawakan ng apritada. And we had century tuna hot is spicy. So, dalawa lang yan. And of course, guys, na-miss ko talaga sobrang yung Miguel sardines. Wala na tayong wala tayong sardinas. So, kailangan nito kasi mayroon sa omega-3. Is good for our brain. Okay. So, lava cake. Okay. Pinili tayo lava cake for our gifts. Toppings. Okay. Sa taas lang yan. So, okay. And, kung ilang binili ko, guys, is just worth at 800 pesos. And then we had cotton buys. So, cotton buys, binili ako para sa ating palihi sa New Year. Kaya nag-advance na ako. It's just para magaan lahat ng ating pasanin, ang mga obstacles, tribulations in life in the world 2025. So, it's much better. In the transitions of the year, meron tayong cotton, but mga cotton, so like cotton buys or cotton balls or as in cottons. Okay, para pampalihi. So, not bad. Wala nang mawala kung maniniwala tayo. So, ayan. And then, pirating shampoo for our hair. And Carefree soft tries like yung ginagamit talaga yan since then. And the natural olay. Natural olay, dalawa lang. Naubos agad yung ating medyo nakaraan. And ultimate is essential for topping sa ating gifts. So, we had already gifts here. Ayan, yung mga gifts natin na nabalot na. So, it is my pre-love purchase. So, really, actually, honestly speaking, mga pre-love purchase ko na nasuot ko isang beses or dalawa, once or twice, and then hindi na kasya sa akin or hindi ko na nasusuot. So, mas better ibigay ko na lang to sa mga batang huli sa akin o mga kasi edad ko or kasing payat ko kasing katawan ko para naman as mapakinabangan kasi naman hindi ko nagagamit talaga. Ang dami, yung isang maleta ko naging tatlo na. So, kailangan ko na itong pabigay. Ganito talaga guys, yearly. So, I launch around the Celis area and then I'll do some gifts privately. So, I'm not filming my pagbibigay ko yan. So, it's just private. Kasi yung bibigyan ko is just only God knows who the lucky one who I help with. Okay? I help out for even a little single percent is gifts for Christmas. This brings up in Australia. Indispensable and truly sweet fragrance ascended in our like it. This meal us giving and loves are those who can't help you back. Okay. Australia. Much better than gold and diamond is that happiness, incredible feelings that you feel that lays sunlight. You can bring, you can root in any store anywhere, and you can find it anywhere. It's within our heart, and that separates us, loves and given by all like it. Dahil got emotions that the feelings from all our just like magical feelings. Okay, see you guys, and has best wishes na Christmas tonight. I wish you a Merry Christmas and advanced prosperous and prosperous year 2025. The best is all. God bless. It's yours, Silly Warrior Queen. Quarter 11 PM, gumising tayo. Then, is milk lang with dairy cream na chocolate. So, ang laki ng chicken ng Andox talaga. I love it. Ang laki. So, pag parang chicken ng KFC dyan sa may complex, ay sa may Walter, malaki. Nai-stress ako pag kumain ako sa KFC dun sa complex kasi maliit na yung chicken, wala pang mushroom yung sauce nila. So, doon ako kumakain sa KFC sa Baliba, sa Caltex Walter kasi malaking chicken like this sa Andox. Thank you so much, Andox Company, for the horse chickens. Sitting dinner natin ngayon, so is hindi talaga ako ginutom, guys. Nag-melt lang ako with dark creamy chocolate. Yun lang, yung maliit lang na bar. So, yun na po ang nagutom talaga. Kain lang tayo just because kailangan ng ating katawan. Nagkain. Okay, God bless us all and have a peaceful night. Christmas Eve. Okay. Naway, masaya ang Christmas niyo. Tonight is the best place ng Pasko. God bless us all. From your silly warrior community. God bless us all.